आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So in this question we have been asked which of the following option is greatest. To solve this equation we have to know the values, the graph of tan and cot. So in some question we don't have to know the actual values of the problem, but we have to analyze the question. So in this question, as you can see from the graph, this is the graph of tan and this is the graph of cot. So as you can see in this question, we can see the values of tan is increasing from 0 to pi by 2, and after that from pi by 2 it is decreasing to pi. So we can say that tan x is 0 से pi by 2, it is an increasing order, or pi by 2 is nothing but 3.14 upon 2, which is 1.57. So we can write it like this: 0 from 0 to 1.57 it is increasing, and we have to find the and now just see cot. So if we look at the value of cot, we will see from 0 to pi by 2 the values of x are actually decreasing. We can see from here that at pi by 2 it is 0, it is almost 0, the values of y is almost 0. So and pi by 2 is 1.57. So if we look at the options, we will see that the options are tan square 1 and cot square 1. So we already know that tan square 1 and cot square 1 is already undefined. We already know that, and the only options left are tan 1 and cot 1. So cot 1, so tan, if we see at the tan 1, so the graph of 0 to pi by 2 is increasing order. So value of tan will be at at close to the pi by 2, which is at infinity. So it will be less than infinity, but it will be, and the value of in cot graph, if we will see, the value is decreasing, so or it will be in decreasing. So let's say the value of tan x comes out to be, so let us say the values of tan x come out to be uh, 1 2, and if we know, we have supposed the value of tan x is come out to be 2, and we know that tan x is equals to 1 upon cot x, or we can say cot x is equals to 1 upon tan x. So if tan x is 2, then cot x will be 1 upon 2. That means whatever will be the value of tan x, it will always be less than the cot x will be always be less than tan x. So that means tan 1 will always be greater than cot 1. So our answer is option 1. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।